Hello friends, welcome back to Half to Way 81. Today I am going to show you a tree that as soon as summer arrives turns into a shower of pure gold. Just imagine a tree with almost no leaves but covered completely in bright yellow flowers hanging like golden chains. It looks like nature itself is celebrating. And here's the most exciting part. These very flowers are considered extremely special during the Vishu festival in Kerala. In today's video, we'll explore the magical blooming of the Cassia Fistula, its cultural importance during Vishu, and how you can grow this beautiful tree at home. So make sure you watch till the end because this plant is truly a golden surprise from nature. The golden shower tree is famous for its long hanging clusters of bright yellow flowers that bloom during the peak summer months, usually from March to May. During this time, the tree almost loses its leaves and becomes fully covered with golden flowers, making it look like a natural chandelier or a curtain of gold. Because of its beauty, it is also called the Indian laburnum. In Kerala, these flowers are known as Kanikonna. During the Vishu festival, which marks the Malayalam New Year, these flowers are essential part of the Vishu Kani arrangement. The Vishu Kani is a sacred display prepared the night before Vishu that includes Kanikonna flowers, fruits and vegetables, rice and grains, mirror and lamp, holy scriptures. People wake up early in the morning and the first sight they see is the Vishu Kani, which is believed to bring prosperity, positivity, and abundance for the entire year. And the bright yellow Kanikonna flowers symbolize wealth, happiness, and new beginnings. The golden shower tree usually blooms during the summer months, from March to May. During this period, the tree produces long cascading clusters of bright yellow flowers that hang beautifully from the branches. These flower clusters can grow 30 to 50 centimeter long, creating a stunning view that looks like a shower of golden flowers falling from the tree. One interesting feature of this tree is that many of its leaves fall just before the flowering begins. Because of this, when the flowers bloom, the entire tree appears covered almost completely in golden blossoms, making it look even more striking and vibrant. The blooming season also perfectly coincides with the Vishu festival in Kerala, which usually falls in April. That is why these flowers, locally called Kanikonna, are considered very auspicious and are used in the traditional Vishu Kani arrangement. During peak blooming time, roadsides, gardens, and temple areas in Kerala become naturally decorated with these bright yellow flowers, creating a festive and cheerful atmosphere. It truly feels like nature itself is celebrating the season with a golden display. Friends, I would love to hear from all of you watching this video. Have you ever seen the golden shower tree in full bloom in your city or neighborhood? When this tree flowers, it really looks like a beautiful shower of golden flowers hanging from the branches. If you have seen it, tell me where you spotted it, in a garden, on the roadside, or near a temple. And if any of my viewers are from Kerala, I would especially love to know about your Vishu memories. Do you decorate your Vishu Kani with beautiful Kanikonna? What traditions does your family follow during Vishu? You can also share if you have tried growing a golden shower tree at home or if you would like to plant one in your garden in the future. Your experiences, memories and gardening tips makes this community even more special. So do share them in the community section. If you want to grow this beautiful tree, propagation is usually done through seeds. Here is a simple method. Collect mature seed pods from the tree, soak them in warm water for 24 hours to soften the hard seed coat. Plant them in well-draining soil. Keep the pot in a sunny location. Water lightly and patiently wait for germination. Golden shower trees love full sunlight and warm climates, making them perfect for tropical regions like India. With time and care, this tree can grow into a magnificent flowering tree. Nature shows its beauty in a different way in every season, and the golden shower tree is truly a golden gift of summer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to After 81. See you in the next video with another interesting plant story. Till then, take care of yourself and your surroundings. Would like to end this video as I always say, go green, grow green. Happy gardening.